Blind Beauty. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Blind Beauty. I'm Jennifer. What I thought I would do today is I am doing a 5-minute makeup challenge. Now, I've done one of these in the past, and in my opinion, I failed miserably at it. But this time, I actually did it. You know, and I'm actually kind of proud of myself, because this right here is the look that I did. You know, it's more natural, but I know the blush probably is not well blended. You know, the eyeshadow is nothing fancy, nothing crazy. It's more of a natural glam. Or not even glam, but a natural look, which I tend to do more anyway if I'm in a big hurry. I don't go full on glam if I'm in a hurry. But I mean, I used all sorts of products. I will go ahead and show you each product here. That way you know and have seen ahead of time what it is I'm talking about that I'm using. Now, I started out, I didn't use an actual primer because a lot of times if I'm in a hurry, primer goes out the window. So I used the Maybelline Dream Wonder Fluid Touch Foundation right here. And this is in the shade Pure Beige. And that's what I used all over my skin. Then I used the e.l.f. HD Concealer in medium. I do believe is what that's in. I also did use the Loreal True Match powder in the shade W4. The Essence Satin Touch blush. Unfortunately, I can't read what it says on the back, but it's to me it's a mauvey looking blush. Yes, I broke the lid off of mine. These lids don't stay on very well, but I did use that. And then I used the e.l.f. Molten Liquid Eyeshadow in Rose Gold, the Essence I Love Extreme Mascara, the Shady Slim Brow Pencil, the Maybelline Color Sensational lipstick in Pink Wink, I believe is what this shade is. Yeah, Pink Wink. And and the Makeup Revolution, no, I didn't. I can't remember if I used this or not, honestly. No, I don't think I did. I had it sitting here, so I could use it, but I don't think I used it. But, yeah. You know, I didn't contour today. There's a lot of stuff I didn't do, but whenever you're in a big hurry, you gotta pick your battles, y'all. You gotta pick your battles if you're in a huge hurry. And I chose to just go more put together. You know, you wake up late, you want to get out the door, you don't want to spend a half hour doing makeup. This would actually work. You could even use other products like Amber Rush by L'Oreal Infallible. You could use other liquid shadows, even Maybelline Color Tattoos. I mean, let me know what some of your go-to products are whenever you are in a huge hurry. And I tag every single one of you to do this video that wants to. You know, let's make it a realistic 5-minute makeup challenge. You know, like you really were waking up late and everything. What would you do to get ready in 5 minutes or less? So, I hope you do stay watching, and also hit that subscribe button if you want to see more looks and hairstyles and informative videos and all that, because I plan to do those again, you know, as well. So, thank you so much for watching, and let's get into it. Okay, let's do this. Let's get started here. First thing I'm going to be taking is my Maybelline Dream Wonder Fluid Touch Foundation. So, this is going to be the 5-minute version. And this will be something that I really would do if I had to get out the door. So, let's get started. Alright, 3, 2, 1, lift off. Alright, I am taking the Dream Wonder Fluid Touch Foundation and putting it all over using the little applicator that comes with it. Just dotting it all over, streaking it on, basically. And yes, I know I'm going a little overboard, but that is okay. Because I do sometimes build this up anyway. So, yeah. Alright, now then. I'm just going to use my fingers, or my hands rather, and blend this puppy in. Then we'll be going in with the e.l.f. HD concealer. Okay. Already used it like 45 seconds. Alright, e.l.f. HD concealer right here. I'm going to use that under the eyes. Real good. Little triangles under the eyes. Whenever you're in a hurry, you got to focus on one area and make that your go-to. Do you want to focus more on the face? Do you want to focus more on the eyes? And I know I'm talking really fast. I tend to do that whenever I'm rushing like this. But yeah, using both fingers, both like middle and ring finger both, just to kind of blend that in. Alright, now then I'm going to take the Essence Satin Touch blush, and I'm going to go in with that, and I lost my blush brush here, and I'm going to use that on my cheeks. I'm not doing a contour today. I didn't even set my face, which actually is normally a no-no for me, but it is what it is. Hey, we're at 3 minutes already. I will actually set my T-zone real quick. So, and I'm using the L'Oreal True Match powder to do that. Looks like that right there. And a big fluffy brush, just going all over the T-zone. Real good. And believe it or not, I did not grab out an actual highlight, so, you know, that's okay. That's okay. I don't always have to have highlight. And then I'm taking the e.l.f. Molten Liquid Eyeshadow in Rose Gold and putting that on my lids. Just swiping it on directly from the tube. Okay. And I'm going to use my finger and blend that out. We're already at 2 minutes left, so I know looking at the time actually takes a little extra time, but I still do it. I still do it. Alright. Now then, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Setting Spray and set my makeup. Alright, now then, let's go on to actual lashes. I'm using the Essence I Love Extreme Volume Mascara. I'm going to put this on my lashes. Okay. Not going hog wild, y'all. Not going hog wild. Alright. Put a little bit of that on my lashes. We're at less than a minute, y'all. Less than a minute. Okay. Now I'm going to take Pink Wink and Maybelline Color Sensational. Put that on my lips. Okay. Now, since we got a few seconds left, I'm going to take the Shady Slim Brow Pencil and do a little bit on the brows till the timer goes out. Just a little bit. Not going hog wild here. Not going hog wild. Alright. 10 seconds. Alright. I mean, it's not too shabby. I've still got 10 seconds technically, but, you know. See? There we go. There's the timer. Alright. Now this right here, normally I would powder my entire face, or at least set my under eye concealer, which does take a few extra seconds. But if you're wanting to go for a more natural, neutral look, this does work, and I'm just making sure my eyeshadow is, yeah. But that liquid molten eyeshadow, On me, it doesn't really crease that bad, so I don't always set it. But if I'm wanting to get out the door quickly, I will do something like this right here. Now, I know my blush really isn't blended out just right, but, you know, unfortunately, this blush does not play nicely, and I did not know that until I did it. If it's not set, if my foundation is not set beforehand. So, but that right there is the finished look. Let me know if you want me to do a 3-minute version of this or whatever, because I'm happy to do that as well. So, thank you so much for watching, and I do hope that you subscribe, as well as follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that jazz. We are almost to 100 subscribers here, and once we hit 100 subscribers, I'll try to do a giveaway of some kind. So I do hope you do subscribe, just, you know, to see what else I have coming up as well. Because I've got all sorts of ideas, and I'm always open to new ideas as well. I do have a list going of different ideas I'm working on. So, you know, let me know if you want to see that. And I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.